Hey everyone, and welcome. If you have Bitcoin sitting in your PayPal account and want to move it over to Cash App, you don't need to sell it for cash and cash out to a bank account first. PayPal allows you to transfer crypto directly to external wallet addresses. So let me give you steps on how. So firstly guys, you need to grab your unique Bitcoin deposit address from your Cash App so PayPal knows where to deliver the funds. So just open up your Cash App on your phone, tap the Money tab, and tap on the Bitcoin tile. Then tap the transfer arrows icon, or you can also use the QR code, as you can see right over here in the top. And you will need to either choose the deposit icon or choose receive, or as you can see when you're on this screen, you can just press copy right here to copy this Bitcoin address of yours to your clipboard. Now, let's head over to PayPal and send out the crypto. So, on PayPal, navigate to Finances, or you can just select crypto directly from your balance screen. Select Bitcoin, tap the transfer arrows icon, and choose Send. When prompted for a recipient, paste the copied Cash App Bitcoin address into the external address, so this one right here that you copied. And before tapping Confirm, also always double check your wallet address details. Blockchain transactions are completely irreversible, so ensure the first and last few characters of your pasted address match perfectly. And PayPal will then display the estimated blockchain network fee, review it, and then press Send Now. You're good to go, guys. Enjoy.